I'm Sarah Pitzer, and today I'm going to walk you through how to deactivate a client. There could be multiple reasons as to why we might do this in a setting. We might have a customer who, like Amy, is past due, and we have decided that we're going to deactivate her for the time being until she's ready to pay us and come current on her membership with us. The other thing that we might be able to do is we might just have someone who has decided that they are done working with us, and we've finished our time with them. So we need to deactivate them at that time. By doing that, we're going to choose client from the left-hand navigation bar, find our client that we want to deactivate. So in this case, we're going to use Amy. Up here in the right-hand side, you'll see the three dots. We want to use that button and deactivate. Now, you'll see Amy is deactivated. Amy will no longer be able to activate any of her chat message features. She will still be able to email us and let us know that she's ready to pay, and use those options. However, she will not be able to continue getting all of our free resources or the different movies, videos, extra chat features, appointments, anything like that will all be shut down for her, and she will no longer be able to use those until we have reactivated her again. To reactivate, we're going to go back up to the same three dots, choose this, reactivate, and she is now back reactivated. She's ready to go. She's on day 24. So if we have any autoresponders set for her, they will pick up where they were, and she will continue to be able to use all of her features once again whenever we are ready to reactivate her. I hope this has helped you today on knowing how to deactivate someone, whether it be temporary or permanent decision. You now have the option to be able to take care of how to manage your clients as need be. Continue to watch for more videos that will help you continue to build your business.